Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Tuesday and then today, Wednesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, on Tuesday. So that is where the green line here is coming from, and that's definitely a very, very important level of support. In fact, in my opinion, it's the must-hold level, do or die, whatever dramatic saying you can come up to call it. But the reason, in my opinion, that's a do or die level is if the price were to first off go all the way down there and then just continue on down below there, at that point in time, it would be putting the price literally right back to where it was before the big movement happened, on the 30th. And price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas even if the price did pull back some, so if it came down here, however, in this situation behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards, well, at least in that situation, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, then overall you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So again, in this situation, that progress point is at 18 cents. In the very near term though, and the level that I'm curious to see if it can hold or not tomorrow with the price kind of rolling back over like it did, is right here at the 20-cent mark. You go back through the history of the chart and you can see that 20 cents held up several times yesterday, and then right there, and now the price is approaching it. So it'll be and this is not like some sort of great discovery. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be wondering that same thing about 20 cents. So we'll have to see if that level can hold up strong or not. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at right now, top of the channel has definitely been confirmed right up there around the 25-cent mark. So 25 cents will be the key level, right there as far as resistance areas. Sorry, I'm trying to do some customer service while I talk, but I'll get focused back on this. So 25 cents, that first level. What makes that interesting is if the price could push up through 25, I'm not saying the price shoots straight up to 33 again, but there is quite a bit of space up here, that makes this a very interesting situation. But with the way that it closed today and, just kind of a slow and steady bleed to the downside, priority number one right now is not necessarily breaking 25. Let's see if the price can first maintain up above 20 cents, but we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.